You ever look at your chart and just think, wow, this is way too much. One thing's flashing by, another telling you to hold back, and then something else is basically screaming the total opposite. You're bouncing between Bollinger Bands, MACD, range filter, flipping time frames, zooming and zooming out, spending all this energy just to answer one question: is price going up or down? And even after all, nothing really lines up. Exhausting, right? But here's a thought. What if instead of juggling 10 different tools, you had one setup with 100 indicators and one that actually makes sense? Trend filters, momentum signals, volatility checks, volume tools, it's all there. And the kicker, you get to decide how they work together. EMA with RSI, done. SuperTrend with Ichimoku, easy. MACD with Bollinger Bands, absolutely. That's exactly what the DIY strategy builder on TradingView does. Honestly, it feels like having 100 indicators in one. And the biggest win? You're not flipping between messy, overlapping indicators anymore. It all lives in a single, clean setup. That's why I call it the best TradingView indicator I've used so far. Alright, let's hop into TradingView. Pick your market, a stock, forex, crypto, whatever you usually trade. Then pick your time frame. Quick scalps, 5-minute works great. Holding trades longer, 15 minutes or 1 hour is solid. Patient, waiting for a big swings, 4-hour charts are perfect. That's the thing I love about this tool. It adapts to your style instead of forcing you into one way of trading. Next, go to the Indicators tab, type in DIY Custom Strategy Builder. And grab this one. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of manual checking 5 tools to see if they agree, you've got the Confluence dashboard. Think of it like a quick status check for your trades. Little table in the corner, line up green or red depending on which conditions are being met. Ever second guess yourself, wondering if a table has enough confirmation? This dashboard instantly cuts through that hesitation. And it doesn't stop there. The same idea shows up in the candles themselves. They basically turns into traffic lights for momentum. Green bars, buyers are in control. Bright red, sellers dominate. Gray, markets flat. Suddenly, instead of... Quick question. Have you ever wished your chart could just tell you when it's safe to act? Well, this setup kinda does that. Here's the part that really clicks. Once the builder runs through all your rules, it prints a simple buy or sell signal right on your chart. No guessing. No. Did I miss something? Just your logic confirmed visually. And if you want extra context, add supply and demand zones, liquidity areas, session markers, volatility spikes, you name it. Each layer gives you signals more meaning, helping you see the bigger picture. Alright, enough theory. Let's actually build a strategy inside this best TradingView indicator so you can see it in action. Step 1. We need a leading indicator. That's the one that fires the very first signal. For this example, I'm going with the range filter. Simple. React fast to price shifts. Give the first head up when momentum might turn. Here's the catch. A single indicator on its own can mislead you. That's why we need confirmation. In the setup, I'm stacking two EMA set to 180 periods and MACD crossover. Go into the menu, turn on EMA set to 180, then scroll down, switch on MACD, enable crossover, boom! Range filter triggers EMA plus MACD, double check. And the cool part, nothing is fixed. Tweak EMA length, adjust MACD sensitivity, swap in a completely different tool. The flexibility applies to almost all the 100 indicators in one. It's like having a full toolbox. You pick the exact tools for the job. Now let's talk about the switchboard. It doesn't change your strategy, it just changes what you see. Even line visible, toggle. Supply and demand zones, done. Parabolic SAR dots, session markers, support and resistance, flip the switch. Instead of leading 10 separate indicators and cluttering your chart, you just turn on what matters. Clean, simple, focused. So what happens when a buy signal pops up? Three things line up. Range filter bullish, price above EMA, MACD bullish crossover. Triple confirmation checked instantly. But here's the key. You don't click buy automatically. Take a glance at the candle. Is momentum really moving that way? Do the candle look so strong? That pause can save you from weak setups. Same deal for sells. Signal prints, range filter bearish, price below EMA, MACD bearish, triple confirmation again. Check the candles. Are sellers really stepping in? That's your final check. And remember, this range filter plus EMA plus MACD combo is just one build. Inside the system, you've got a library to swap in and out. RSI, stochastics, Ichimoku, ADX, volatility filters. You can mix them in ways most traders haven't even thought of. That's what I see this builder as more than an indicator. It's a framework, your personal strategy lab. The more you experiment, the more different combos change the flow of signals. That's when it gets fun because now you're not copying someone else's system, you're building your own mini challenge. If you had access to 100 indicators and one setup, which three would you start with? Drop in comments, I'm curious. And stick around because next I'll show you how to push this best TradingView indicator past the basics so you can get even more insight and really see it in action.